2019 ba kuɗi ba sai dai a danne mu a yanka. Za mu dangwala maka da jininmu.
Without doubt, President Muhammadu Buhari enjoys tremendous support, solidarity and goodwill from the various stakeholders in the Hausa film industry, otherwise referred to as Kannywood. Although the event was put together by the Nigerian leader to show appreciation for the entertainers, however, comprising musicians, producers and actors, it is an opportunity to renew their allegiance to the change agenda.
We believe in his leadership. He is somebody that is committed to the development of this country.
We are here to show our support, 100% for his second tenure.
We have to support him because of good governance for Nigerian and Nigerians.
President Muhammadu Buhari formally expressed gratitude to the Kannywood entertainers for their love and significant contributions to his political aspirations so far, saying he cannot thank them enough. He, however, promised to reciprocate by maintaining his upright disposition as well as ensuring justice at all times and selflessness in service to the nation and humanity. He restated his unshakable resolve towards fighting corruption to a standstill, firmly securing Nigeria for effective management and massively diversifying the economy for job creation and sustainable future.
Ni dai ba zan ci amana ba, ba kuma zan ga an ci amana ba in kyale, zan yi aka kokari.
Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Boss Mustafa, described the engagement as significant.
In this room, there are people that reach out to over 10 million people. Some of them on their Instagram pages and Twitter handles. They talk to over 1 million people on a daily basis. So their outreach is quite extensive and elaborate. And they came to share their thoughts about the future of this country with the president and to also commend the remarkable work that he's doing out there and to assure him that they will fully support him. So it's a very important day for us.
The message from them is that they are with him 100%. And I assure you, it's not unusual.
During the event, the artists were promised by government of adequate protection of their intellectual property rights.
Most of the times when they cast films and when they sing songs, piracy takes over. And the benefits that ought to accrue to them ordinarily does not. And we've given them those assurances that we'll strengthen the institutions that are supposed to take care of protecting their copyrights and their proprietary rights.
The Kannywood stakeholders departed the State House with a promise to the Nigerian leader that as soon as campaigns for the 2019 election begin, they will individually and collectively stand to be counted. From the State House, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.